gel on my nails at salons for years until I thought, hey, I could probably do this myself. So in 2021, I got all the tools required to do the gel nails on myself at home. Having all the tools to do it at home means that I save money, save time, and my nails are always looking neat. Hey beautiful souls, it's T'aime here, and today we are diving into the world of DIY gel nails. So whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious newbie, I've got you covered in this video with tips, tricks, and everything nails. I've laid out all the essentials that we're going to be needing today, but don't worry if you don't have everything just yet. I do share a few hacks in between and alternatives along the way. Are you ready to have fabulous nails? I'll just keep on watching. I just want to preface this video in saying that the day that I shot this video, I was extremely babalas. Hangover for those that don't know what babalas means. So that's just a disclaimer, but best believe I got up and I filmed this video for you guys. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button so that you can then see more from me.
What you're gonna need is nail file. Don't quote me on this. I'm not like registered like proper nail thick buff thing. You need cotton balls, acetone. You can use foil, but I have these like, I don't know why it's always like this, like after a night out, like I can't sleep the whole day. It's almost like my body's punishing me for going out.
So for step 1, we're going to be filing off the shiny surface of the gel polish. Then we're going to be sectioning off our cotton pieces. I go in with cuticle oil all around my cuticles just to protect it from the acetone. Then you're going to soak your cotton in acetone and place it on each nail. Cover each nail with either foil or your soak-off caps. You're going to repeat the steps on all your fingers and let it soak for 10 minutes. Once the time is up, you're going to take your metal scraper tool and remove all the caps or the foil and scrape off the gel on each nail. Once the gel is off, you're going to be pushing back your cuticles, flipping the tool over and scraping off the dead cuticles. Thereafter, you're going to be buffing each of your nails to have a nice and smooth surface for the gel polish. File your nail to your desired shape and then spraying sanitizer on all of my nails. Going in with your sticky bond primer on all of your nails. This does not have to be cured in a lamp, so you just let it dry for a bit. Once all your nails are prepped, you're going to go in with a thin layer of base coat on all of your nails and cure that for 60 seconds. Optional step, but I go in with a rubber base. This just allows the nails to grow stronger. Don't forget to go in and clean off any excess on your nail bed with acetone and a nice brush. Going in with the gel color, you're going to be putting a thin layer on each of your nails, cleaning it up with acetone and then curing each coat for 60 seconds in your lamp. Once you're done, you're going to be just adding a top coat on each of your nails and then curing that for 60 seconds. And once everything is nice and clean, you're going to be putting on cuticle oil on all of your nails and then rubbing it in.
So these are the nails. Really out of my comfort zone. I just want to say that I will never ever be doing this on myself again. It was very messy. Skin is still a bit stained, like hoping it will come off with like when I shower and wash my hair and stuff. But and the nails are done. I only put one coat of black. It's very beautiful black, don't get me wrong. It's very black. It will get black in the salon. I even wanted to still do tips in black, but the PET, you know how much acetone I used? I had to go over it like 3-4 times, but you guys let me know if this suits me. Do you think black nails suits me? I don't know. It looks neat, I guess. I don't know, man. I'm supposed to do my face. Really like, know in the comments what you think about my black nails. I'm gonna go chill for the rest of my Sunday. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Love you guys.